Welcome back. Today's topic is radiation protection. Which of the following quantities is used to measure biological effects of radiation? One gray is equal to. The SI unit of exposure is. The quantity kerma represents. What does ELARA stand for? Which of the following is a stochastic effect? Which of the following terms is not related to radiation protection? Deterministic effects are characterized by. Equivalent dose accounts for. Which combination is correct? Which of the following best reduces exposure, according to radiation safety principles? If the distance from a point source is doubled, the exposure. The primary barrier in a linear accelerator room is designed to shield against. Which type of barrier would be used for an area where only scattered and leakage radiation occurs? An HVL half-value layer refers to. TVL 10th value layer is. What is the purpose of maze design in Linac bunker? Workload W refers to. The use factor U represents. Which room would have an occupancy factor of 1? Occupancy factor T is. Weekly permitted dose to the public is. The barrier thickness is directly proportional to which of the correct shielding equation term set. A room used by trained radiation workers is termed a. Which of the following is not a personal dosimeter? OSLDs function by the personal monitoring device worn on the collar level is meant by a radiation area sign must be posted if the dose exceeds which personal monitoring device is most sensitive. A high radiation area is one where the dose is the frequency of personal dosimeter readouts is typically which quantity is most relevant in radiation protection to account for both absorbed dose and radiation type. Lens of the eye dose limit for workers. Which is not a source of natural background radiation. Examples of non-stochastic effects include what is the monthly equivalent dose limit recommended for the embryo fetus of a pregnant radiation worker? The dose constraint concept is workload for megavoltage X-ray equipment in shielding calculations is usually measured as Gijamula counters are more suitable for in a LINAC room, neutron shielding becomes essential above. What device measures neutron contamination? The quality factor Q for X-ray, gamma rays and electrons is at 30,000 feet, the approximate cosmic radiation dose rate is When should area surveys be repeated? Which dose-response relationship is used as a conservative estimate for low-level radiation protection? For students under 18, the maximum annual effective dose limit is. A radium source is considered leaking if removable contamination exceeds. Which instrument is best for routine quantitative measurement of low-level X or gamma radiation? The Alara principle is enforced primarily through. Geiger-Müller counters are more suitable for. The internal irradiation arises mainly from K40 in our body, which emits. Half-life of K40.